I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Binance wallet. First, navigate to the Binance website or open the app. You'll need to register for an account using either your email address or a mobile phone number. Make sure to choose a strong, unique password. After registration, you'll receive a verification code to confirm your details. This initial step is crucial for setting up your secure digital asset management. Once registered, you must complete identity verification, also known as Know Your Customer or KYC. This involves submitting personal documents like a government-issued ID and a selfie. This step is essential for security and to comply with regulations, allowing you to access higher transaction limits. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication, using either Google Authenticator or SMS for an extra layer of protection on your account. With your account set up and secured, it's time to fund your wallet. You can deposit cryptocurrency from an external wallet by selecting the correct coin and network. Always double-check the deposit address and network to prevent any loss of funds. Alternatively, you can purchase crypto directly using fiat currency through various methods like bank transfers or credit or debit card payments. Binance offers several options to get your digital assets into your new wallet. Now that your Binance wallet is active and funded, it's important to manage your digital assets responsibly. Regularly review your transaction history and account activity for any unfamiliar movements. For long-term storage of significant amounts, consider transferring your assets to a hardware wallet for enhanced security. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying informed about security best practices is key to protecting your investments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.